Hey there! In today's tutorial, we're diving into Asana, a powerful project management tool, and I'm going to guide you through how to change and save views so you can work smarter, not harder. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to tailor your workspace so that the most important information is front and center whenever you open your project. This is crucial for not only staying organized yourself, but also making sure your whole team is on the same page. Let's get started. First things first, customizing your view. Asana gives you several different layouts to choose from at the top of your project, like list, board, timeline, and calendar. Think of these like different lenses you can use to look at your workload. Just click on the tab that matches your style or your task at hand. For example, the list view is perfect if you like spreadsheets, while the board view is excellent for visual thinkers who love the classic Kanban workflow. And if you're mapping out project phases over time, timeline can give you that bird's-eye perspective. Once you've picked your layout, you can really fine-tune what you see by using the filter and sort options near the top right. Let's say you only want to focus on incomplete tasks assigned to you, sorted by when they're due. Just adjust those settings and Asana will instantly update. Don't be afraid to play with these. Filters and sorting are like a spotlight, shining on what matters most and letting you tune out the background noise. In list view especially, customization goes even further. Notice the little plus icon next to your field columns like Asana or due date. Click that and you'll be able to show or hide custom fields or rearrange the columns by dragging them to new positions. Adjust the widths to make things fit just right. It's a bit like arranging your workspace at home. Small changes can make it way easier to find what you need, fast. Now, once you have everything set up exactly how you want, it's time to make it stick. If you've modified an existing view, like adding a filter to the default list, there'll be a Save View button up in the top right corner with a little blue dot next to it. Click that, and boom. Asana now remembers your changes for that tab, so everyone in the project sees the same customized layout. But maybe you want to keep the original view untouched and create a unique tab for your new layout. Here's how. Click the plus icon next to your current view tabs, or you can click the arrow beside the tab name and choose Save as a New Tab. Give your new tab a clear, descriptive name, like Tasks Assigned to Me or High Priority Board. This is especially handy if your team switches between different focuses throughout the week. Each tab can act like a shortcut to a specific workflow. And finally, you can set any saved view as the default for your project. Just go to the View tab you want, click the three-dot menu, the little next to its name, and select Set as Default. This means any team member opening the project will land on the most relevant information first. No hunting around for the right layout. It's a small step that really helps everyone get on track faster. If you're new to Asana, don't worry if these steps feel a bit fiddly at first. Just take your time, try a few combinations, and remember you can always tweak things later. Custom views are all about making your workflow fit you, not the other way around. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more deep dives into Asana features. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.